Take a ride in the 2021 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.